Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm here today to share an unboxing that I got from Chanel. I did a vlog or come shopping with me, very short video, probably about a week and a half or 2 weeks ago now, by the time that this video goes live. But I wanted to show you what I ended up getting. I don't know if you can guess from that video. If you are interested in seeing what was in store, I will link that video below. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags. I also love fashion, travel, luxury. So if you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. Okay, so here is the box. This one was purchased from a Chanel boutique. Someone asked me where it was. It's actually purchased at the Chanel boutique within a Nordstrom in Portland, Oregon. So I did end up getting this tax-free, which is lovely. So this one is a handbag, as you can see from the title. It's from 25B, which is the fall winter collection. So if you're interested in seeing, like I said, what other items were available in this collection, you can go look at the video from the Come Shopping With Me. I think there have been actually an abundant amount of bags and accessories. I actually did get to see some of the heart bags as well. So yeah, those were very popular. I did try one on, but I didn't end up getting one. So hint, it's not that, but you can see from the size of this box, it is a good sized bag. So let's get into it. It does come with this booklet. It is, oh, it's kind of textured. I don't know if you can see it. It's got the quilted texture on it. And that's it. My S8 at the Portland store did know that I'm flying, so she actually offered to just have me take the bag and she'll ship all the packaging. So I think that's why she didn't like put too much stuffing in there. But there is this. This is different than what I've gotten before, and it says Chanel et moi, and I think this little booklet is, yeah, it tells you about the, I guess, Chanel. I'll look at it, and then it comes with this buffing cloth, I think. Yes, it comes with a buffing cloth. And interestingly enough, she did not ask me to fill out the et moi thing. So usually the last couple times that I bought a bag, I had to like scan something with the code and then everything. So I'm surprised she didn't tell me to do that because it's for warranty, I think. So I'll check in on that later. So here is the dust bag. I don't know if you can see, it says Chanel across. Drawstring, cotton material, same old, same old. To reveal. I don't know if you can see what it kind of looks like. It does have this really cute 4-leaf clover. I was trying to slide it right off, but it's taped very well. All right, to reveal my Chanel backpack. This is actually a style that was released, I believe, before. It's this like more square-shaped bag, and it is a backpack. So let me bring it a little closer. You can see the 4-leaf clover tag that I was telling you about. It actually also comes with a little charm that says Chanel 5 on it. And what's really cool is that you can unclip this from this bag. So let's say you don't like it hanging here, you can absolutely hang it on something else, or just, you know, hang something else here. And it doesn't have the same hook on the side. So you can see that where it's hooking here is only on one side of this bag. While I have you up here, you can see that this is a caviar leather material, and caviar does come in many different goodness, I should say. This one is actually very soft, so you can see that it's very pliable. It's not like the hard, very plastic. I mean, there is obviously like that plastic kind of texture more so than like calfskin or lambskin because it is treated, but I meant like it's very soft. Do you know what I mean? Like it's not like very stiff. Here's a turn lock CC, and actually before I open it, I'll show you the back. This is a backpack, like I said. I've been looking for a bigger backpack ever since my other one right there. But I found this. I actually was looking for another one, but they didn't have it at my store. And then I found out it was lambskin, so I was like, I don't know if I want it. What I really liked about this one though is this pocket. So you can see that this is actually very deep. It goes all the way down here, so you can definitely fit any size phone out there right now, with case and everything. There is also an option to shorten. I think there's not too many, like I think there's only like maybe 2 holes, I think. 2 or 3 holes. So you can't shorten it too much, but I was going to use this as a way to kind of, well, I'll show you later. I'm trying to like see how else I can wear it because I want to make my bags more versatile. On the bottom, there's not any like feet, but you know, it does compress and it does expand. So when you like, let's say you want to travel with it and let's say you're not wearing it, you want to travel, you can easily like put this in your luggage and it'll still, because it's so squishy, it'll work well. All right, coming back to the front of the bag, you can see that there is a turn lock CC, which it's like an antique gold hardware. Open it like so, and you'll see that this bag is also very lots of pockets, which I love. And so this pocket is very similar to the one in the very back, maybe a little bit shorter, but it does fit. Like, again, you could put your phone here as well. I love that it's a big, you know, it's not just like a little tiny circle, that you can actually utilize this very well. Again, check out how nice the quilting looks. It's very puffy, but it's like soft and it just feels nice. And then on the inside here, you can see that, actually maybe you cannot see very well, it is a, well, it's leather up here, and you can see that there is the like very traditional CC right there. But in the bottom here, this is like a fabric material. It's also a fabric material along here, but it's leather along the side. And then there is, let's see if I can, it's going to be hard to show you because it's black, but you'll see that there is a slip pocket right here. It's leather, and there's a zip pocket right here. Oops, I closed it. It was open, but there is a zip pocket here, and this is very tight, but you can definitely fit, like, I would say a passport in here. So if you are traveling, it is a very secure spot to put it back there. Some cards here, and then you can fit quite a bit of stuff here. So I will do a more in-depth what fits in this bag when I do a review, but just to quickly show you, here's my phone. I have the Pixel 8, and it does fit here like so, and I can also fit it sideways like so down here. And if I show you in the back, you'll see that it does slip in quite nicely. So if you wanted to grab your bag very easily, you don't have to put it into this you know, middle inside compartment. So I have the iPad mini here, just to, in case you had a question. I put it right there, slid it down, and it doesn't fit. So it like barely, actually, if I really push it down, it'll fit, but you can kind of see that it juts out a little bit here. So I don't know if I would do that, but if you had something smaller than an iPad mini, I think it will fit. I have my Kindle, and the Kindle does stick out like this. Yeah, it's not gonna fit. Maybe if I put it this way. No, it's too squared, so it won't fit. But if you have a tablet that is smaller than the iPad mini, then it may actually fit. So just so you know. And I just took a very small water bottle. This is an 8 fluid ounce bottle. So I just want to show you. It's not like a very thick bag, as you can see, but I just wanted to put something in here. Now the water bottle, because it is you see this is like, it could open and it could close. And so with the water bottle in there, you can see that it doesn't distort the shape of this bag. So while it looks very thin, it does fit a water bottle. And I'll show you, you can still close it. There's nothing on this side, so it kind of looks like this one's filled and this side's flat. So if you put something else here, I think it'll look less awkward. But from the side, it doesn't look like it's expanded too much. It doesn't look over expanded. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that something like this can actually fit in this bag, despite how thin it looks. I love the little top handle as well. I don't like backpacks where, like, you know, all they have is the strap, because then you're just hitting it against things. So here, let me put it on for you real quick. I love how the slim profile of this bag makes it look against your back. It's not like overly like bulky, which I mean, I have nothing against those, but I just like something that's more streamlined. I really like this bag. I know that the style came out, I don't think it came out maybe with the unclippable option, but I know this style kind of came out maybe a year, maybe two ago, and they brought it back. I actually don't know if they had a backpack at that time. I do know they have a crossbody. They still have a crossbody now, and I looked at it. I like this one more. If you're interested, I will put the code of the bag below as well as the price below. It was the only bag in my store, but I'm sure it's available other places as well. So if you're interested, talk to your SA and see if you can get your hands on it. I believe it came in a very beautiful pastel blue color as well. So if black is too boring or you have too many black bags, that is also an option. So now I want to show you, and I haven't tried this myself yet, so I don't even know if this will make it in the video, but like I said, this one is a backpack, but I want to make it more versatile because I generally wear bags that are crossbody or like shoulder bag. So while I love that it has a top handle and that I know I can sling it over my shoulder, just like one shoulder like this, I do want to see if there's a different way to wear it. So I thought about what else can I do? And so what I will do is now unlatch this. Oh, there are actually 3 holes here, just because I was telling you 2 or 3, but it's 3. So now you can see that this is kind of like on its own. I'm going to remove the other side as well. Okay, there you go. So if you were to now put the 2 straps on top of each other, they should line up like this. Is it too long? Oh, it may be too long. So, okay, update. I actually was able to kind of do something. So remember how I was back to where I was saying like you can undo the straps. I actually hooked one of the holes that were on the end of the strap, and I tied a ribbon through it and then attached to some of these chains here. So you could see that on one side it's attached, and if I did it to the other side as well, then you'll have this like bag, and then you can wear it like this. I probably will have to redo the ribbon a little bit because it's kind of messy, but you could potentially wear it so that it is a little bit more like on the shoulder without punching a new hole or anything. You can absolutely punch a whole new hole, not that I'm condoning that, but you can see that, you know, if you just use the existing hole, tie a ribbon through it and looped it through to like the chain strap that's on closer to the bag here, you can create a shoulder bag. So yeah, you can't crossbody it, but you can create a shoulder bag. But you do have to do it to both sides. I only did it to one, like I said, but you can do it to both. Holding it closer, you can see that the one strap through the hole, and then I tied it to this chain strap, so it looks like that. And then it creates this top handle shoulder strap. Yeah, so that's one way to wear it without punching a hole. Now, if you did punch holes, I think you can create the strap to attach to itself, but I don't actually want to do that to my bag, because if, you know, anything happens to it and I need to bring it in, they'll say I adjusted the bag. So anyway, that's one way to do it without altering it. So hopefully that gives you some idea of how you can wear backpacks like this, where the strap can be removed on one end.
I also found another way to tie the ribbons, and this one's using the Chanel black ribbon. As you can see, both sides are tied down and can be easily worn on the shoulder now. If I think of another way to do this, I will be sure to share it either on my Instagram or in a follow-up updated video.
So let me know your thoughts. Are you interested in some of the backpacks? There are a lot this season for 25B to choose from. I will pop some up here to just like kind of show you, but yeah, there are a lot, and I was actually kind of in the market for one, so I'm glad I found this one and that it's worked for me. And yeah, I love the suppleness of the caviar so that it's very durable, but like it doesn't feel stiff, you know what I mean? As a backpack, I think that's very important. Would love to hear your thoughts. Did you pick up anything from 25B? Are you going to? Yeah, leave in the comments below. I'll be doing a lot of handbag updated reviews soon, so including some of the ones that you guys have been asking about. So stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.